Brothers! I see what's happening. I see. Someone there thinks they can be king. Someone there thinks they can be king. Well, who is it then? You? You? Want to kill me? Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it! Anyone who wants to be king!
I want to be king.
What makes you think you can be king?
I provide food for the warriors. I lead them into battle. I even build homes for the people with my own hands. And what do? You sail the oceans? For what? You're not king. What do you do?
What do I do? I may not provide food. I may not build houses. I may not lead these men into war. What have I done? I've traveled the world and got beard grooming products from the beardstruggle.com for the whole damn village. Yeah!